Happy morning, children. So we are talking about expectation, reality, and then conclusion. This is how you have to write an episode of irony: situation, expectation, reality, conclusion. So you have to start with in the story, and then the writer used irony here because in such a situation one would expect. This is how the blue it is given. However, the exact opposite in the story. Then, since what one expected is opposite to what happened in the story, the above situation is ironic. So, this is how you have to write. So, all that is given in blue should be there, used for the 4 topics: situation, expectation, reality, conclusion. Now, you have to tell me the statements are true or false. They are talking about opinion and fiction and non-fiction. The events that take place in a fiction are real. That is false. Fiction is not real. Autobiographies and history books are examples of fiction. False. Texts in which animals are shown as character. Animals shown in real characters. No. That is personification. Okay. So they are non-fiction. False. The events that take place in a fiction are real is false. What is that? The events that take place in a fiction are not real. Autobiographies and history books are examples of non-fiction. Text in which animals are shown as characters are fiction. Okay. Next, elements of a short story. What are the elements of a short story? Character, settings, problem, solution. Okay. So, the character, you should know what is a character. Character is a person or animal who can think, act and feel in the story. And the problem is the challenge or the obstacle the main character faces. The setting is the place where the story is taking place. Palace, woods, like that. The solution is how the problem gets solved. Okay. So this is how you have to write a story. All the 4 elements you should remember that these characters face a problem and that must overcome by facing or finding a solution. The setting and characters are the first thing, and after that what will come? Problem and solution. Let us see the elements that make up the story, and then you have to write up all those things and complete the story. So in the Gift of Chappal story, the setting is Rukkumani's house and backyard in Madras. And characters in the story are Ravi, Lalli, Meena, Mridu, Tata, Tapi and Rukmani. Okay. Next is traits. Traits means the characters, positive, negative. Character can be physical or personality. Physical means how you look outside. Positive, negative, others. Respectful, humorous, optimistic, these are all positive. Negative, immature, irresponsible, these are all negative. Then you can write about your friend's traits using these words. Next, they have given about this how to write Gift of Chappal story. The character is beggar. How does the character look? Physical traits. Wears a dhoti, no chappals, blistered feet, teeth strained, brown. What does the character think, do, say? Trait 1, trait 2, trait 3. 3 traits you have to write. Entitled, persistent, lazy. Then you have to write evidence. How will you write the evidence? How you tell about the character as entitled? For that you should write some evidence. He made himself comfortable in someone else's garden. Persistence, he was not ready to move without getting some alms. Persistent means determination. You do something, you achieve something only then you go on. Lazy, he begged at the same home daily instead of working. So he is lazy. So based on these traits, you should write In the story, Gift of Chapel, the beggar is described as. So these are all his physical traits. First physical trait, then that trait with evidence. Then trait and another evidence. Trait 3 and evidence. Then conclusion. So for that, what are the wordings you have to use? We can infer this. Another trait that the beggar exhibits. Lastly, the character is lazy. Based on the character's actions, thoughts and words, we can conclude. So these are the wordings. Based on this only you have to write. This is how you have to go for the physical trait or character. Next topic is prepositions.